Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Goal Seek tool, which is part of Excel's forecasting tools. Typically, this is something I teach in the advanced class or even in a class that's a level above advanced because it's a pretty complicated topic. But I think with this example here, it makes it simple enough so that you can kind of, dip your toe into this topic and see if this is something that works for you. So here's our scenario. This is a business and we have listed our prices, all of our costs, and all of our revenue associated with a particular product. So we have this product here. We have a flat fee for the price, obviously. And then we have a mixture of flat rate and variable rate expenses associated with this product or service. And we're trying to calculate our profit or loss. So when we put our formulas in here, we see that if we have one client, we have a loss of $437. So what we want to determine is how many clients do we need in order to break even? In other words, how many clients do we need in order to make zero? And so this is where the Goal Seek tool really comes in handy. You get to it by clicking the Data tab. And then in the Forecast group, you click What If Analysis and you click Goal Seek. And then this dialog box pops up. So in the dialog box, what you are trying to say is set a cell to a particular value by changing another cell's value. So we're going to say we want to set our profit and loss, which is cell B7. We want to set it to 0, which represents our break even, by changing the number of clients, which is cell B1. And after I click OK, keep your eye on this cell B1. And you see it quickly changes to say you need 7 clients in order to break even. So I'm going to cancel that. It takes it back to the original values. Let me try to say how many clients do I need if I want to make $1,000. So we're back here and I'm going to say set this profit loss cell to $1,000 by changing the cell that contains my number of clients. And then I go ahead and click OK. And you see it tells me that we need 20 clients in order to make a profit of $1,000. So that's a simple introduction to the Goal Seek tool. I hope you found this video handy. And if you did, I would appreciate a comment down below. Thank you for watching.